Hi, I'm Taruna this side.
Hi, I am Prateek this side.
Our journey for second pregnancy started with Dr. Preeti. And now that we've delivered, we can actually say this that it has been a pleasantful journey for us. How she has guided us so far has been amazing because at every step um, she was actually she was more like a friend or a guidance. She had given us a good guidance on everything, and at every step she supported us so well. Especially the last delivery days has been so smooth. Well, the one thing which every mother actually has the anxiety about. She made it so smooth and it was effortless for us. Every step or every procedure was explained well, and the transparency was maintained from the hospital end also. Also, we would like to mention that while this delivery happened in Motherhood Gurgaon, so the entire staff was so cooperative. Every touch point that they have picked up for the mother, for the baby, is quite amazing, and I feel it is so touching that everything is taken care of. Small things where you feel that you would need extra care, extra effort, and the staff has actually done. I think they've given us something which is outstanding for both of us. That's what we feel. The entire experience was really good, and I feel it was one thing that I've been putting on the word effortless. I think this is what I would like to say, that it has been really effortless for us with the hospital staff and with Dr. Preeti, Dr. Richa, Dr. Devesh, who is now a pediatrician to our newborn also. He's supporting us so well with each and every step. So, and the staff of motherhood, I would especially like to take names for for Sister Gypsy, Sister Kushbu, Sister Renu, ones who have been there with us, holding us.
Sharati.
Sister Aarti also, yes. So they've been there holding us for last 3-4 days while we were here, and it has been really warming for both of us. And thanks a lot for the entire service and hospitality that we have received from Motherhood. Thank you so much.
Motherhood Hospitals. We care like no other.